Calling car 6 and 7/8. Officers Tom and Jerry, report to headquarters immediately.
Officers Tom and Jerry, I want you to meet our newest police person, Katie.
Hi, y'all.
This is Officer Katie O'Kitty. Katie is going to ride with you. Your assignment is to show her the ropes.
I guess I'm just the luckiest little old police person in the world to ride with outstanding officers like y'all. I'll just sit in that little old squad car and be quiet as a mouse. Oh, my goodness. I didn't mean to offend you, Officer Jerry. I think you're just the cutest little old policeman on the force. This little old squad car looked just peachy after I put up some chintz curtains back here.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. Proceed to 1111 Elm. A lady's baby is up a tree.
My, you officers sure do respond heroically. Now, was that little old call a 604 or a 309, 802, 707? Be careful, baby. Help's on the way. Oh, hurry, officers. Save my little baby. My, he is so brave. Here, kitty, sweet little old kitty. Now hear this. Climb down out of that tree, and that is an order. Here, y'all, man.
Oh, thank you, officer. Thank you.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. A water main has ruptured on Beverly Boulevard. Get out there and do something until we can get the water turned off. Don't just stand there. I said to do something.
Oh, my. Those officers are in danger. My goodness. Are y'all right, fellow officers? It sure is exciting to ride with two brave officers who get things done as efficiently as y'all.
Calling car 6 and 7/8. There is a small boy lost on Hill Road. Take him home.
Are you lost, little boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you like for us to take you home?
I get to ride in a squad car? Oh, boy!